Will a massive asteroid strike Earth in 2032 and wipe out civilization as we know it? That's the question swirling around a newly discovered space rock, asteroid 2024 YR4. But should we be worried? Let's break down the facts and talk about top asteroids with the highest known probability of hitting Earth. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is a near-Earth object discovered in late 2024. It's estimated to be around 63 meters, about the size of a 15-story building. That's big enough to cause regional destruction if it were to impact our planet. It's classified as a potentially hazardous asteroid. So why is this space rock making headlines? It's because astronomers noted a potential close approach in 2032, less than a decade away. Let's entertain the worst-case scenario for a second. What if 2024 YR4 were to hit Earth? Based on its size, it wouldn't cause a global extinction, but it could cause a devastating explosion, similar to the 2013 Chelyabinsk event, or worse. But this is extremely unlikely, and here's why you shouldn't panic. NASA, ESA, and observatories worldwide constantly monitor the skies. This asteroid is already being tracked, and so far it poses no credible threat. If anything changes, scientists will know, long before we're in danger. While it's true that asteroid will pass relatively close to Earth in 2032, the chances of it actually hitting us are astronomically low. The early odds of impact in 2032 are extremely low, likely less than 1 in several million. As telescopes collect more data, the risk usually drops to 0. But there is another asteroid heading our way. It's small, fast, and has the highest chance of hitting Earth of any known space rock. But is it actually dangerous? Meet 2010 RF12, the asteroid with a chance of impact in 2095. Discovered in September 2010, asteroid is a near-Earth object roughly 7 to 10 meters wide, about the size of a small delivery truck. It orbits the Sun in a path that crosses Earth's orbit. In 2095, asteroid will come very close to Earth, closer than many of our satellites. In fact, current models give it a 1 in 20 chance of hitting Earth, making it the most likely known asteroid to impact us. It may sound scary, but this asteroid is too small to cause serious damage. If it enters Earth's atmosphere, it would burn up, likely creating a bright fireball or a small airburst. Similar to the Chelyabinsk event in 2013, but even smaller. Please hit that like button and let us know in the comments. Would you want to live on Mars if Earth was threatened?